Hello, welcome to a new video. How are you doing? So yeah, look, these Brussels sprouts are beginning to form what looks like a little head. Okay, it's taken a while. These ones are not doing much, but fingers crossed we'll have Brussels sprouts for winter. Anyway, welcome to a new video. These potatoes here are nearly dying out but not ready to be harvested. I've also got some flowers, some zinnias and some dahlias looking okay. Fennel that's been planted for winter food is looking really good and happy. But why am I doing this video? Why am I having a moan? Because everything is looking a bit manky. Growing food in a diaspora, we have to grow seasonally, and it is beautiful when it's spring and summer, but when it comes to autumn and then into winter, things are dying. Like, look at these beans. If these beans were in a hotter climate, they will still thrive for a bit longer. Some of the pods are not even mature enough to harvest. So obviously this was for me an experiment. These are like, I believe these were brown beans, azuki beans, but they haven't done well because of the cold. The cold has come too soon. Look at that. Look at butternut squash is also dying out. I just need to let the whole thing get ready before I harvest it. Now, the diaspora growing is not bad at all. Don't get me wrong. Look at these cucumber melons. They're still doing well, even despite them being hot weather loving crops. But then some things are just not happy. My tomatoes are beginning to give in to blight. I have harvested a lot, so I shouldn't complain. But yeah, I'm just sharing with you the little things I don't like. I have to clear this whole garden up. Look, the peppers need harvesting, and so I need to go and pull most of my plants, which I don't want to pull them. If you're a plant mom, you don't want to kill the things you planted, but this is the season for that. And if you don't, they'll do it for you. Like, look at these potatoes. These potatoes were in buckets and they all died down, and I need to clear this whole mess. My apple tree needs pruning. I need to clear all the little netted bags I put to protect some of the fruits that never matured. It's just a lot of work this time of the year, so I just thought, I'll show you guys my moan. I need some help, but I have to do it. But guys, this is basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little clip, giving you a little insight into the odd jobs we need to do. This is just the home garden. The one at the allotment has a lot more work to be done. So we have to do this for us to have good soil, for us to be ready for next season. My beetroots are swelling. That's good, because I'll have a lot of beetroot that will serve me and my family for the rest of the year. Strawberries as well are okay. They will overwinter here and start fruiting next year. Look at the mess here, guys. This is horseradish plant. I have to clear everything. Oh my god. Anyway, I have to brace myself up. The bathtub here needs clearing. I need to put new compost there. All the dead plants need to be gotten rid of. And this lemongrass now, I need to actually get rid of the lemongrass from the garden and prepare it for next season, because I want to overwinter it. That's how I've done this once. I'm gonna put them in my windowsill to grow. So guys, this is it. Nothing else to show you here. I'm just gonna go ahead to start with the lemongrass, and I think I need to just brace myself up and come and clear my garden. It needs a good clear out. So if you've watched till this point, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment. What's your gripe about growing in the diaspora, or growing wherever you are? Really, what don't you like? I enjoy growing food, but like I said, I don't like pulling them down, and I also don't like the hard work sometimes. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you watch this point, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please kindly subscribe to get more detailed information on what I do. And until next time, I'll see you in another video. That's the amount of lemongrass I actually harvested. Not bad at all, okay? And I'm gonna freeze it and use it for my curries and stews, and then I'll put some out on my windowsill for next season. Bye bye, see you later.